Hi everyone! I'm going to help you decide on how to choose the perfect diamond art kit for you. Before we begin, you should know that every diamond art kit comes with the basics. Every kit comes with wax, a diamond drill, diamonds. Usually they come in a long strip, but you can cut them up after. A tray, and of course it comes with your project. There's also a few choices you have to make before purchasing a diamond art kit, like size, diamonds, your kit type, who is this for, and the design you'd like. For kit sizes, I find there's anywhere from extra small to huge. There's extra small ones, which can be like bookmarks, stickers, keychains. Then there's your small ones. In this picture, there's a 19 by 19 centimeter photo. Then there's your medium ones. In this photo, it's a 40 by 40 centimeter. Then there's a large one, which is actually a 41 by 51 centimeter. Then there's a huge one. I didn't bother measuring this one because it filled up my whole coffee table. Please note that size does matter. It determines whether your picture is crammed together or whether it turns out like it's displayed. For diamonds, you really only have two choices. You have the choice between circles or squares. If you choose circles, your pieces will still have a gap in between each one, but it can still have a great effect and your picture can still turn out perfect. If you choose square, your pieces will pretty much be touching, and I find that square ones are actually easier to put together. Circle or square, whichever one you choose, sometimes it can affect the picture. Next is kit types. There really is only two types of kits. There is the full kit type, where the entire picture is covered in diamonds. And there is the partial picture, where a portion of the picture has diamonds, but a portion of the picture does not have diamonds. Either way you do it, the picture can still turn out great. Who is doing this kit? Diamond art is for pretty much any age. So before buying diamond art, please consider the person's age, how long the project's going to take, and if this person can sit through it. Last of all, design. For diamond art, you can pretty much choose any design. It can be cute, it can be memorable, it can be even horrifying. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, with diamond art, the choice is yours.